Hello everyone, let's take a look at this question. We are told to solve for n given this. But first, let's state some basic law of logarithm that have to do with addition and subtraction. Let's say we have log m to base a plus log n to base a. This will be log m times n to base a. In the case of addition given same base, we multiply the numbers. Then in the case of subtraction, we have log m to base a minus log n to base a. This will be log m divided by n to base a. So now we can now apply this to our question. So this will become log 5 times 6 to base 2 minus log n to base 2 equal to 1. This will becomes log 30 to base 2 minus log n to base 2 equal to 1. At this level, we can now apply our subtraction law. So this will becomes log 30 over n to base 2 equal to 1. Now, we know that the logarithm of a number is the power to which a base is raised in order to get the number. This is it. If we have log n to base a, for instance, equal to b, this is our number. This becomes n equal to a raised to power of b. Here's the number, this is the base, and this is the power. So, relating this to this, we have 30 over n standing in for the number equal to our base, which is 2 raised to power of 1. So this will become 30 over n. 2 raised to power of 1 is the same thing as 2. So from here, we cross multiply. We have n times 2 equal to 30. So n times 2, we have 2n equal to 30. So to get our n, finally now, we divide both sides by 2. So this is 2n over 2 equal to 30 over 2. So this goes, we are left with n equal to 30 divided by 2, we have 15. So this is our value for n. And if we want to check if the result is actually correct, all we need to do is to substitute in the value of n, which is 15, into the equation. And after solving, we should be able to arrive at 1.